Hello friends, you are watching pigeon are drinking water in water pot. Dove are also drinking water in this video. Before some time we put food for bird in small plates. But it's not enough. Nowadays we use cooler tub for food putting. You can watch cooler tub. We spread grains like millet, rice. Dove is eating in our house like this. You also provide food for birds. Dove nesting near the house where food is available. House sparrow, squirrel, and many other birds come to take food in this place. You can watch many sparrow in this video. If you provide food for birds, birds are regularly come in your house. And many other birds come and they know that we are provide food for bird and squirrel. Please watch what a beautiful scene. Birds are waiting for foods. A squirrel is also waiting for foods. We also put boiled rice and chapati. Small pieces of chapati like many birds. A squirrel are eating in this scene. They eating rice. A squirrel and a sparrow at this time. The conservation of a squirrel is so important. We should not run away squirrel. Many people give food for only birds, not to squirrel. We should provide food to squirrel and birds both. Squirrel sit in plates. You are watching sparrows playing with dust. In the corner, please watch. You can watch bay bird nest. I took it from farm, which is fell down and incompletely. Bird using its grass and in making of nest in our birdhouse. You can put food in small plates also. You and food and water provide every day. You give tomato fruits to squirrel and birds. A squirrel like these things because they like tomato. Please provide fresh fruit and tomato. If you provide food daily, then breeding start in our bird nest. A squirrel is eating tomato. What a lovely scene. Tomato is very fresh and red. You are watching a squirrel in our nest. Please watch. A squirrel come out. A squirrel has 3 kids in birdhouse. If we provide food daily, then increase number and population of birds that place. There are very large number of birds in this video. Approximately 100 to 200 birds live at this place since many years. We also fitted bird nest at this place. Benefit to give food to birds in the nest. Thus birds know that place they want to come at this place and then fit bird nest. And birds breed in our bird nest. and increase their population. Breeding start after giving food in our birdhouse. Bird also like to take bath in morning and evening. You are watching sparrow and many sparrow. You are taking sparrow taking bath in water pot. Water should be fresh and clean. Please change water daily. Please, what a beautiful scene. Bathing of sparrow in fresh water. They feel very happy in summer to take bath in the early morning at 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. We should fresh water. You are watching Oriental Magpie Robin. After watching this video, you can believe that many birds come in our house and places. When you fitted boxes, birds surely come in this box. When you fitted boxes like this, then breeding start. Please this box fitted near the food available providing place. Please fit bird nest and provide food and water to birds daily. It very important for bird conservation. Bird have made nest in every bird house. You can watch many other things and many other informations from our channel. We don't sell bird nest. We only donate freely bird nest by camping. These bird nests included in many government projects. Forest department are very impressed with our bird nest success. Please provide water, food and bird house to birds. Many birds come in our bird house. Please, what a beautiful scene. At every bird house live birds. Two bird kids taking food from birds. Birds' parents sit together in a bird nest. Please watch. Mother and parents birds, sparrow, give food to their birds kids. What a beautiful scene. Birds kids come out and take food. They take rice, millet. We mostly give rice in summer because it's cool in nature, and millet in winter because its nature is hot. If you are true environment lover, then please give conservation to birds and wildlife, animal. Mr. Vikas Yadav is founder of NGO Pakshi Sanrakshan Samiti. We fitted bird nest in many states in India by camping. We working in this field 8 to 10 years regularly. If we are not reaching to you, then please watch Pakshi Sanrakshan Samiti Adhyaksh Vikas Yadav. If we are not reaching to you, then you can provide bird house like this. You can watch many other video like this related with our bird house rescue. You also watch video of rescue of wildlife animals and birds. also. You take many informations related with our bird NGO. Bird giving food to their kids. Kids are coming out and waiting for their parents for food. Please watch male sparrow feeding their kids. Kids open mouth. They give grains to their children. Mother also come. They sit, parents sit together. They do very hard work. Please subscribe our channel Sparrow Nest Indian and press bell icon. Children come out from our nest, live in our near our house and places where food is available. They take in food from provided with us with our. They live for some time and after some time they fly with their parents. Thanks for watching this